We're Meic. We're here to listen to you every day, 8 AM till midnight, even on Christmas Day. But why should you talk to Meic? And what happens when you do? You can contact us about anything that's bothering you. It could be a tricky situation or study problems. You could be feeling low or worried about something or someone else, or just looking for info. Meic will listen even when nobody else will. We won't judge you, and we'll give you the information and support you need to make a change. We'll help you decide what you want to do and help you through it. How can you talk to us? You can get in touch in 3 ways. Online chat via meic.cymru, where you can chat to someone online about anything you like. Free phone 080 880 23456. All these calls are totally free and won't show up on your phone bill. Or you can text us for free on 84001. Meic, someone on your side even at Christmas.